Today we're going to talk about what a picture graph is and how I can use them to read data. So the title of my graph right here says number of soccer games. Over here it says March, April, May, June. So I know that these are going to be the months that we're talking about the number of soccer games. Over right here it says a key tells how many each picture stands for. Key is right here. So it's saying each soccer ball stands for one game. Sometimes this changes, but for right now, each soccer ball stands for one game. When I look at March, I'm going to go across like this. So if I count the number of soccer balls in March, I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4 to the side because 4 is the number of soccer games that I have in March. Looking at April, you can see that there's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give you a second to think about how many in the month of May and how many in the month of June. May has a total of 6 soccer teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't even need to count June because if I know that there's 6 in May, there's 1 more in June, making it 7. What is the total number of games that I have in March, April, May, and June? All I need to do is make a number sentence adding all of them together. I see here I can make a 10 using 3 and 7, and I can make another 10 using 4 and 6. 10 and 10 is going to equal 20. So there's 20 games in the months of March, April, May, and June. How many more games are there in June than May? So if I'm comparing June and May, I need to think about, well, which one has the most soccer games? That's June. How many more? Well, I can do a number sentence and subtract 6 from 7, meaning that there's 1 more game. So June has 1 more game than May. When we take a look down here, let's practice a few. This title says favorite snack. They could choose from pretzels, grapes, popcorn, and apples. Okay, so off to the side, I'm going to give you a minute to think about how many for each snack. I'm looking here and it says each smiley face stands for one child. So I know each time I see a smiley face, it's going to be 1. Looking at my pretzels, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 friends chose pretzels. 1 less than 8 is 7. I don't need to count. I can look right here and see I have 3. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to look at my questions. Which snack was chosen by the fewest children? Fewest meaning which one had the least amount? What do you think? If you chose popcorn, you would be right. I can see that there's only 3 friends that chose popcorn. So I'm going to write popcorn right here. How many more children chose pretzels than apples? So I'm going to be comparing my pretzels and my apples. I'm going to be thinking about which one is more and how many more. So I have pretzels here and I have apples here. Noticing that apple stops here, so I should have how many more? 2 more. So 2 more children chose them. I could also use a number sentence to help me figure that out. I know that I have 8 children that chose pretzels, and I know I have 6 children that chose apples. So 8 take away 6 is also 2, which is the same thing here. You're going to get some work to do on your own. Remember to look at the key and figure out how much each symbol stands for.